welcoming you back for Unit 2. We are careful people. Before going with the lesson, I would like to tell you the meaning of careful. What is careful, children? Your parents, you have already listened it hundreds of times in your lifetime. What is careful? Your parents will be again and again telling you, be careful, be careful. Your teachers will be telling, be careful. What is careful? Careful is nothing but not hurting yourself. Careful is nothing but not hurting yourself nor others. You should not hurt yourself, blood, burn, anything which will cause you pain. So you should be away from pain, that is careful. Now, how we are careful at home, how we should be careful at home, I'll tell you children. These are the things you should be away from in the house. Knife is very sharp children, it may cut your fingers. Scissors, don't at all use scissors in anything. Only in the assistance of your parents you use scissors. Now coming to lighter. Why to use lighter? Are you going to cook anything? No, don't use lighter as your gun or something. Don't use scissors, knife and lighter at all. Coming to matchbox. Some kids have idea of taking matchbox. Matchbox is very dangerous. Now I am telling you this because I want you to be safe and keep others also safe. Now after this, let us go with the lesson children. Before going with the lesson, I will teach you some meanings which are going to come in the lesson. Meanings: fuel, petrol or diesel. Fuel is nothing but petrol or diesel. Do you know the vehicles don't run by themselves children? They need something. How a body needs food. Petrol called food, the even vehicles need food, that is petrol. It needs petrol or diesel to run. Enjoy. What is enjoy? Do I need to tell you? You are all enjoying children now. Enjoying is just having fun. No homeworks, no classworks. Aram se you are sitting and seeing what teachers are doing, what teacher is explaining. That is a type of enjoyment only. Or you go with your parents to park and play there. That is also enjoying. You go to cinema hall to see pictures, movies. That is also enjoyment. You come here, you dance on the stage on your annual day. That is also enjoyment. Enjoyment is something which gives you fun. Now coming to new words. There are some new words which are going to come in your lesson children. New words: uniform. First one, uniform. Uniform is nothing but wearing correct type of dress to the particular field. For example, you come to school and you have a particular uniform. There is no different uniform for girls and boys. There is the same uniform for boys and girls, same color. But when it comes to the design, it will be different. And there are uniforms. There are other people who wear uniform. For example, postmen wear a different uniform. Teacher, there are some schools where teachers also wear. Doctors, nurse, lawyers, pilot, bus driver, cleaners, IMRs all have their own uniforms children. By their uniform we come to know that this man is in this profession. So this is uniform. What is flight? Flight is nothing but taking people from one place to another. Taking people from one place to another. Passengers. Passengers are the one who are sitting in a vehicle and going from one place to another. It may be an old man, it may be a middle man, or it may be kids even. So the passengers include all type of people. Disturb. When somebody is irritating you when you are doing something important, that is disturb. For example, if you are listening to a teacher in the video, that is online class, and your small sister or brother come and irritate you, anna, akka, that is disturbance. Or you are doing, very importantly, you are doing something, at home you are painting something with lot of interest, you will be into it, but somebody comes and disturbs you, calling you again and again, that is disturbance children. Now I want everybody to take out your sunshine book. Are you all ready with the textbook children? Yeah, page number semester 2, page number 14. Page number 14. I'm going to read it before I explain the lesson, children. Unit 2, we are careful people. Ready to read. Rajat is a pilot. He wears a smart uniform. He travels to many countries. He flies an aeroplane. He is very careful. He sees that his plane has fuel. He makes sure that everything works properly. Lots of passengers sit in his plane. He makes sure they have a comfortable, safe flight. The passengers enjoy the flight. This is the first para. The second para. Rahman is bus driver. He drives a school bus. He fills fuel in the bus. He keeps the bus clean. He picks children up from their home. He takes them to school. After school, he takes them home. He drives slowly and carefully. He waits till the children have got on or off the bus before he moves on. Third, Mohan is a bus conductor. He and Rahman wear school uniforms. Mohan helps Rahman to clean the bus and keep the bus neat. Some of the children in the bus are very small. Mohan helps them to get in and out of the bus. The children also help Rahman and Mohan. They don't disturb them. They sit quietly. The children, like Rahman and Mohan, they wave goodbye when they get off the bus. This was the lesson which I have read for you children. I want every day you need to read all the lessons like how I am reading. Make a practice. Maybe you will make some mistakes, but doesn't matter. Reading will give you practice and you will stop making mistakes, errors. Okay, read daily. So this was the first part, children. Let us go with the lesson in the next part. Thank you very much.